On number 9, I'm trying to simplify this expression with the radical, but I have some other stuff going on as well. So I'm going to split up that square root of 32 into the square root of 16 times the square root of 2, and this is all over 10. Then the square root of 16 is 4. So 6 plus 4 square root of 2 over 10. Then I actually want to split up the fraction. So you can give the 10 to both the 6 and the 4 here. So it'll be 6 over 10 plus 4 square root of 2 over 10. And then you need to reduce. So 6 over 10 reduces to 3 over 5, and 4 over 10 reduces to 2 over 5, and I still have that square root of 2 there. So it's very important to not reduce the 10 and the 2. Even though they're both divisible by 2, you can't combine or you can't simplify something that's underneath the radical and numbers that are outside the radical. So really only try to simplify both these numbers that are outside the radical, because that's separate from something that's inside the radical. With 10, it's going to be 12 plus the largest perfect square that divides into 128 is 64, and that's 64 times 2. Then the square root of 64 is 8. And then I want to break this up. And then I want to simplify. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And again, the radical just kind of goes along with it. And I can't combine the 3, this 3, and this 2, because this 3 does not have a square root of 2 with it. So these cannot be combined. This is as far as we can go. It's kind of like if you have 3 plus 2x. The 3 and the 2x are not like terms. It's the same principle here. The 3 and the 2 times square root of 2 are not like terms. That 3 would have to have a square root of 2 along with it to be like terms. Okay, then lastly 11. 32 plus, what is the largest perfect square that divides into 32? That would be 16. And 16 times 2 would get you back to 32. It won't always be 2. It seems to be the case in every single one of these, but it won't always be. And the square root of 16 is 4. And then I want to split that up. And then I want to reduce. So that's going to be 2/3 plus 1 times square root of 2 over 12. And then actually, you don't need to write that 1. So this is actually 2 over 3 plus square root of 2 over 12. And that'll be your answer.